Hey guys, in today's video, it happens to be raining right now, as you can see behind me. In today's video, customer had a strange complaint that it was dripping water in his attic, but not where it should have been. Come with me, I'll show you. This is your thermostat right here. Okay, man, this is almost like another room in here.
Yeah, it's a lot of storage.
So you've had a little bit of water leaking.
Yeah, it definitely is dripping out of that pipe. You can see it on the pipe right now.
Okay, that to me just looks like it.
Condensation.
It might need to be insulated, at least for a short distance.
It's actually coming all the way down. It's dripping here. We see where we got the towels, but it's coming all down this pipe.
All the way over here.
So it would have made it down here, and then I think when it hit this metal, it was dropping there just a little bit. But obviously, you can see the two worst spots.
Yes, I certainly do.
And then it goes. This looks like
probably goes under the house and then out the side over there. But here in the attic, what we can do is insulate that.
Okay.
We don't always have to do that, but in this case, it looks like it's dripping.
We did have, we had like all the toilet paper stacked against here, and I didn't know if we were like maybe containing too much of it, making it too hot.
Well, it's the air in here is not only hot, it's humid.
Right.
And this is going to be cold water, so yeah, it might condensate. So I tell you what, I'm going to make sure the drain is clear.
Okay.
Look at this, you got
that's
a little bit of condensation up here.
As it gets later in the day, it gets heavier. Like, I don't know if you saw me when I did that. It was pretty heavy.
All right, all right, let me make is there a filter right behind it? No, there's not. I was trying to think if I could get I'm gonna go get my tools and look inside the cabinet and make sure there's not something else wrong, okay?
Sounds great.
But right now the plan is to clear the drain and come back with insulation and insulate it.
I appreciate it.
Okay. You can't hardly see it, but I think there's a drain right there. Right there, if y'all can see it. We're gonna get a vacuum started on that and I'm gonna check out the air. I have seen just a regular clogged drain do this. But we're going to insulate this one. I'm opening the cabinet right now. That almost came off. I might not get a view of the back side of this coil. I was kind of hoping to. You know, I don't see a lot of algae in there or anything. Definitely got some algae in here, or what looks like some growth. We have a ECM motor. All right, green. My green wire, in this case, is actually blue, is on 2. If you have an air handler like this, that drain pan is where you want to put those algae tablets. It treats the drain pan, the line, everything. If you just drop them in here, you're not treating the pan. There goes my vacuum. It's a miracle I still have this. Man, that is sharp. Okay. We got a few more over here to my idea is to cut this. Feed the insulation. By the way, this is 1 1/8 and 1/2 inch. Let's see if we can get around this corner here. And the corners are a little bit difficult, aren't they? All right, so that's the plan and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more elbows to go. Already got that one glued. This is a new kind of PVC cement for me. Now we just need to strap this thing up like we had it before. Maybe add a little piece up here. Ow! Oh, God, I just jammed my knee into the hinge. Okay, this is my product. So all we got to do now is really just strap it up. Let's see if we can do that. I'm not sure I can use these same straps. I'm gonna go get some plumber strap. And we'll strap it. That's a little better, don't you think? Kind of looks like a professional did it. If I didn't know better. Y'all forgive me, my battery died. I'm not going back down there to get another one. I'm gonna have to use the one out of my light. So y'all forgive me. It's about to go a little bit dark. Okay. I got one more to do over here. Whew. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? Check out the store in the corner. And check out the links in the description. I'll catch y'all on the next one.